It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello everyone and welcome to Technology with AK. In this new video, I'll teach you guys how to install OBS Studio in your devices. So let's get started. So first of all, open Chrome and search for OBS. Hit on enter and click on the first link. It will be in the description as well. Then select your operating system. In my case, I have Windows, so I'll select Windows. And the download will start automatically. If not, so you can just click on try again and redo the same process. When the setup gets installed, just open the file. Now we have our setup open, so just click on next. Then again next, and click on install. Now just click on finish and it will automatically launch your OBS system. Now here's the OBS installed in our devices. So this is the first pop-up which tells us to optimize the studio for either streaming or recording or only for the virtual camera. So in my case, I'll just select for recording and click on next. And here you can select your resolution and then the FPS. I'll select 30 and click on next and apply settings. So guys, this is our OBS installed in our devices. If you want to know about the further settings of OBS Studio, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.